How to fix robotic AI writing with this Claude prompt trick. So if you want to fix your robotic AI writing with Claude prompt trick, then what you need to do is first open up your browser and then search for Claude AI. After searching, go with Claude.ai and make sure that you've signed into your account. Now once you've signed in, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need to simply go and paste the robotic AI writing. Now write a prompt telling Claude to rewrite the text in a more human and natural tone. For example, you can type, rewrite this text so it sounds natural, human, engaging, and avoid robotic phrasing, and make the writing smooth and conversational. Next, press enter so Claude can analyze the text. Within a few seconds, Claude will generate a rewritten version that sounds more natural and easier to read. If you want to improve it further, then you can ask Claude to adjust the tone, such as making it more professional, casual, and many more. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.